Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, in today's video, XRP price eruption imminent. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, right now, as you know, XRP has been holding its strength, and how? Even in the face of Bitcoin taking a major dip, XRP is actually held up against it and is in the green. Amazing. Guys, there's a lot of things happening in this ecosystem that have caused so many folks to get absolutely bullish about the future of XRP. Just listen to this article right over here. XRP $6 price eruption looks nigh as Ripple taps Chainlink to boost RLUSD stablecoins. Decentralized finance utility. Guides, DeFi is one of the biggest things in this digital asset space. For those of you who have been in it, you know that full well. And the fact that Chainlink, which is an oracle to bring off-chain data onto on-chain metrics, and that you've got Ripple utilizing that for RLUSD, that is going to be nothing but a massive boon for Chainlink for sure, and also for XRP. Just listen to this right here. Ripple's USD, RLUSD, is getting a big boost as the blockchain payments firm has teamed up with the decentralized Oracle network Chainlink to bring the stablecoin to decentralized finance. Chainlink's partnership with Ripple would enable decentralized apps to access its important price feeds, expanding the use of RLUSD for trading, lending, and other financial activities. With Ripple promoted XRP now trading above $2, the crypto community speculates whether the crypto asset can push past the next resistant range between the $2.40 and the $2.60 mark, and potentially surpass its current $3.40 all-time high. Actually, the all-time high happened on January 4th of 2018, and depending on the exchange that you're looking at, it came to $3.84, guys. And do I believe that we'll surpass that? I absolutely do, and I think a lot sooner than what most people are thinking. Now, Ripple announced Tuesday that it had adopted Chainlink's battle-tested Oracle network to enhance its US dollar stablecoin utility across decentralized finance. Now, according to the announcement, the partnership will support low-cost transactions and DeFi use cases for RLUSD. The move could position the enterprise-grade stablecoin to compete in the fast-rising institutional DeFi industry, where reliable price feeds and robust infrastructure are essential for large-scale adoption. Guys, one of the things that we have talked about at length on this channel is how RLUSD will take a massive bite out of the stablecoin market share, especially as you see Tether being absolutely punted from a lot of European exchanges because they can't fulfill the MiCA rules. And guys, I absolutely believe that RLUSD is going to fill that gap, and especially when you see partnerships like this with a powerhouse like Chainlink. Now, decentralized finance apps usually require high-quality, tamper-proof pricing information to manage the risks of using stablecoins. Chainlink's infrastructure, which has facilitated, now get this, over $18 trillion in transactional value across institutional markets, narrows this gap. Did you hear that, guys? $18 trillion. And of course, we're talking about institutions, and the institutional marketplace for these stablecoins, RLUSD, and the utilization, guys, of XRP is absolutely phenomenal. Now, Chainlink's service source price data from hundreds of digital asset exchanges, weighted by volume and screened to reduce risks of manipulation or downtime. Now, what the Chainlink standard means for Ripple's RLUSD, rolled made a strong rally in XRP prices last month. RLUSD operates on both the Ethereum and, of course, the XRP ledger and is designed to maintain a one-to-one parity with the US dollar, which, of course, is backed by US dollar equivalents and treasuries. Now, we're thrilled to be working with Ripple on the accelerating adoption of their recently launched stablecoin, RLUSD, through the adoption of Chainlink standard for verifiable data. Johan Eid, Chief Business Officer of Chainlink Labs, said in a statement. Eid added that stablecoin adoption will continue to accelerate in the coming years and that having access to critical on-chain data would speed up this process. By leveraging the Chainlink standard, we bring trusted data on-chain, further strengthening RLUSD's utility across both institutional and, of course, decentralized applications, poised Jack McDonald, SVP stablecoin at Ripple. Now, according to CoinGecko data, the USD-backed stablecoin has reached a market cap, get this, of roughly $72.4 million in such a short time. RLUSD is currently available on exchanges including Uphold, Bitso, Moonpay, Archex, and CoinMeta. And guys, it is getting some big time traction right now, and we're going to talk about one in this program right here today. Now, as of this writing, XRP was changing hands at 229. Well, guys, it's back up to 236. And it says a drop on the day amid a market-wide correction despite the bull pullback after hitting a local high of 246 on January 7th. Analysts are offering a more hopeful outlook. Legendary chart expert Peter Brandt had speculated that XRP's market cap could rise to $500 billion, representing roughly a 265% price jump or a price target of $6.40. At the crux of Brandt's bullish prediction is a half-mast flag, and guys, we went over that yesterday. The thing is this. Why is this such a huge deal, although it's for RLUSD, for XRP? Well, guys, RLUSD runs on the XRP ledger, of course, and the fuel, the actual rails for the XRP ledger, of course, is XRP. And RLUSD provides massive liquidity in trading pairs for XRP. So when you see a higher demand for RLUSD, guess what, guys? It translates into a higher demand for XRP against those pairs. It is truly something else. Now, guys, just check this out right here. Ripple USD, RLUSD, gets listed on a major European exchange, and we know that a bunch of new exchanges are coming in. Bitstamp, the leading European cryptocurrency exchange, has listed Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin according to a Wednesday announcement. The exchange has added a total of 6 trading pairs with the stablecoin product RLUSD into the euro, RLUSD to USDT, if you can imagine, RLUSD to US dollars, of course, RLUSD to Bitcoin, ETH, and of course, XRP. Guys, this is going to be massive. Now, Ripple stablecoin, which was launched in December after securing key regulatory approval, is yet to get listed on Coinbase and some other major exchanges. But guys, we hear some rumbling and it's on the way. As reported by You Today, Monica Long, Ripple's president, recently said that the company would announce more listings right there, guys, in the near future. According to data provided by CoinGecko, the stablecoin boasts a market cap of $73 million. Now, our XRP RLUSD pair on the bullish exchange accounts for more than 36% of the stablecoin's total trading volume. And right there, guys, is what I'm talking about when you are talking about the liquidity. 36% of the total trading volume in a pair of RLUSD and XRP. Now, according to the Ripple stablecoin tracker account, Ripple minted an additional 1.5 million RLUSD tokens earlier today. Recently, the enterprise blockchain company also adopted the Chainlink standard in order to obtain pricing data after considering various other options. During a recent Bloomberg interview, Long predicted that the market would experience tremendous growth over the next year. Ripple's business doubled within payments in 2024, according to Long, and the company sees a strong growth trajectory for its payment solution. The RLUSD will have a premium role in this, as reported by You Today and Andre Casterman, former global head of corporate trade and markets at Swift. Mind you, get that. Recently called RLUSD a game changer. Guys, you cannot make this stuff up. It is happening way faster than what most people thought. Most people didn't really think that RLUSD would come in to the charge that it has. And of course, when you're dealing with the powerhouses of USDC and USDT, but guys, it is taking those giants down, and it's happening way quicker than what most people even imagine. Now, just check this article out. Ripple's XRP eyes recovery following executives' dinner with Donald Trump. Now, XRP has recovered from the recent market decline, which sparked over $670 million in realized profits. Ripple president hints that an XRP ETF could be the next crypto to debut on Wall Street after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, XRP's next move may be influenced by a breakout of bullish pennant following its bounce off the 50-day simple moving average support. Now, Ripple's XRP, of course, up 2% on Wednesday following positive sentiments surrounding its CEO Brad Garlinghouse recent dinner with incoming U.S. President Donald Trump. If the recent recovery sentiment prevails, XRP could stage a breakout above the upper boundary line of a bullish pennant pattern. After the crypto market plunged on Tuesday, get this, XRP investors realized profits of over $670 million. Most of the transacted coins came from less than 1 year old holdings, revealing the heavy influence of volatility on the short-term traders. However, unlike other top cryptocurrencies, XRP has recovered from the selling pressure. The recovery is driven by positive market sentiment surrounding Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderoty's recent dinner with Donald Trump. Now, most experts predict that positive relationship between Ripple and the incoming Trump administration could signal an end to its legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, guys, having said that, I want to touch on this article for just a few seconds. Listen to this right here. Ripple execs meet Trump. Is XRP about to explode as SEC lawsuit phase? Now, of course, a dinner between Ripple's leadership and President-elect Trump has sparked speculation that Ripple's legal battle with the SEC may soon conclude, potentially reshaping, get this, crypto regulation. Now, guys, here it is right here. Brad Garlinghouse put out this X post. Great dinner last night with at real Donald Trump and, of course, at Stuart Alderoty. Strong start to 2025. Now, guys, just think about it. With Ripple already crushing the SEC practically to the smithereens when they were going after a $2 billion fine, it turned out to be like $125 million. And you saw them actually give $5 million worth of XRP to Donald Trump's inauguration. Here they are having dinner with Donald Trump. Guys, do you not believe that they literally are in a position to see this SEC case put to bed? Guys, I think we're going to see something absolutely amazing happen when you're talking about such a pro-crypto administration and everything that's going on in 2025. And on top of that, even in this dip, you're watching XRP trading in the green, even though Bitcoin, the apparent king of the hill, is literally slipping. Truly something else. Guys, I think we're in for some kind of ride. Now, something that I want to share with the community is really precious. My son-in-law, for Christmas, actually went out and he built a new website for me. And guys, this is it right here. He created a new logo for us, did the whole thing, literally changed the about page and everything like that. And on top of that, guys, automated the coaching program where you literally can get on here. You can actually pick a date yourself, go in there, pick a time, register it, secure it, and the whole thing. is completely automated, which I have been doing it literally by email and by hand, back and forth and stuff like that. Now, guys, you can do it from anywhere in the wide world, right there in your time zone. You're going to see the times of my availability. And guys, with things that are going on right now, we are going to actually be getting back, and I have gotten literally hundreds of emails asking about coaching, and it is available right now starting next Monday. You can get in there and register. But guys, this was truly a labor of love for my son-in-law, and I'm so excited about it. Wanted to share it with you. Guys, when we see stuff like this going on in this space, and like I say, you're watching an absolute recovery of XRP, even in this dip, RLUSD coming on. It is truly something else, getting listed on major exchanges. Guys, I am nothing but bullish when it comes to XRP. And do I ever believe that we are going to see something phenomenal? This could be the biggest bull run that this space has ever seen. And it is really gearing up to be that. Guys, of course, we don't have a crystal ball, but boy, are the cards lining up in our favor. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.